In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update N8N in browser. Keeping N8N up to date ensures you get the latest features, performance improvements, and important security fixes, and the process in N8N Cloud is quick and straightforward. Start by opening your preferred modern browser and heading to the official N8N website. A stable internet connection helps the update run smoothly from start to finish. If you use bookmarks for your workspace, feel free to open it directly from there. Once the site loads, log into your N8N Cloud account. Use your regular sign-in method, whether that's a username and password or single sign-on. If you're prompted for two-factor authentication, complete that step to enter your workspace. These instructions apply specifically to N8N Cloud in the browser. If you're self-hosting N8N, the update process is different. After you're signed in, N8N automatically checks for available updates. When an update is ready for your workspace, you'll see a clear notification or prompt. This might appear as a banner or a modal window that lets you know a newer version is available. Don't worry if it doesn't pop up the instant you log in. Sometimes it takes a moment to appear, especially if the system is checking your current version. When you see the prompt, click Update Now to install the latest version. You may be asked to confirm. Keep your browser tab open while the update runs. During this time, N8N may briefly restart services in the background, and you might notice a short maintenance period. That's expected. Avoid closing the tab or navigating away until the process completes. Depending on the size of the update and your connection, this can take a few minutes. When the update finishes, your workspace will reload and you'll be back where you started with the latest version active. Your existing workflows, credentials, and data remain intact. The update doesn't change your configurations. If you had any active executions or triggers, they may briefly pause and then resume after the update. As a best practice, consider performing updates during a quieter time in your schedule to minimize any temporary interruptions to automations. That's all there is to it. Open your browser and go to the N8N website, log into your N8N Cloud account, watch for the update notification, and click Update Now. With these simple steps, you'll always have the newest features and fixes, keeping your automations reliable and secure. Thanks for watching and enjoy the latest version of N8N.